In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean circle photo highlight in Canva. By the end, you'll have a stylish layout where a darkened version of your image forms the backdrop, and a crisp, full brightness copy pops inside a circle frame on top. Start on the Canva homepage and create a new project. Pick a canvas size that suits your goal, an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom size if you already know your dimensions. A blank page will open, and that's where we'll build the effect. Next, add a picture of your choice and make sure you have 2 copies of it to work with. You can upload your own image or choose one you have permission to use. Drag the first copy onto the page and make it fill the canvas so it acts as your background. Keep the second copy nearby on the same page for later. If you prefer, you can duplicate the image right on the canvas using the duplicate button or a quick copy paste. Now select the background photo and reduce its brightness to the lowest setting. Click Edit Photo or Edit Image, open the Adjust controls, and pull the brightness slider all the way down. This creates a dramatic, low visibility backdrop that makes whatever you place on top stand out clearly. If you don't see much detail anymore, that's okay. That's exactly what we want for a subtle, modern look. Open the Elements tab and search for frames. Choose the simple circle photo frame and place it on your canvas. Position it where you want the focal point to be. Centered works well for most designs, and adjust the size by dragging the corners. You can use the guides that appear to help you keep things centered and balanced. Grab your second, unedited copy of the photo and drag it over the circle frame until it snaps inside. When the image drops into the frame, double-click if you need to reposition it so the subject sits perfectly within the circle. To polish the layout, select the circle frame and use the position options to center it on the page, or drag it until the smart guides show it's aligned. Pay attention to the edges of the frame so the key parts of your photo aren't cropped awkwardly. And that's it. You've created a clean, professional spotlight effect with a darkened background and a bright framed focal point. This simple technique works beautifully for thumbnails, banners, profile graphics, and presentations.